Ellie, what's going on over there? Whoa!
Email, I give you a list of pictures I wanted?
No. I don't get emails from your Hotmail. Look at me, Lil. Go ahead, go in the snow so I can see how deep it is. Walk to Ellie.
I can't.
Yes, you can try really hard.
I can't.
Come on, you guys are almost to each other. Lil, you have to do some of the walking. Uh-oh. Whoa!